Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly update your settings in the X app so you can see content that's based on your current location. If you've been wondering how to make your feed more relevant to where you live or travel, this guide will walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. First, open the X app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open up a menu where you can access your account details and settings. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage everything about your account, security, and preferences. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. As the name suggests, this is where you control all of the privacy features tied to your profile. Now go ahead and tap on Location Information. This is the section that lets you manage how your location works with the app and the type of content it surfaces for you. After that, select Explore Settings. This is the part of the app specifically related to controlling what shows up in your Explore feed. Finally, look for the option that says Show Content in this location. All you need to do is toggle this switch on. Once it's turned on, X will tailor the Explore page and trends to reflect what's happening in the area you're in. That's it. Just a few steps, and you're done. From now on, the content in your Explore feed will match your current location, giving you timely updates, local trends, and a feed that feels much more relevant to your daily life. This setting is handy if you want to stay connected with what's happening around you, whether it's trending topics in your city, local events, or even conversations that matter to your community. And if you ever want to turn it off, just go back to the same place in your settings and toggle it off again. So now you know exactly how to show content in your location on X. It's simple, fast, and helps you get the most out of your experience on the app.